Welcome to day 3 of our 7 days of happiness, less stress, more yoga challenge. I'm Paula from Happy Yoga Wales, and today we are going to do a radiant face yoga class. So we're going to start by sitting nice and tall. So you can do this on a chair, you can do it seated on the floor, but wherever you are, stack the shoulders above the hips, reach tall through the crown of the head. And just inhale in here. And exhale, let the shoulders relax away from the ears. And again, big breath in. A little smile on the lips, let the forehead soften as you exhale. Shoulders melt away from the ears. Just taking a few more breaths here. Face yoga is a really nice way to relax the whole body. We have so many acupressure points in the face that it really does have quite a powerful effect on our overall well-being. Okay, so inhale, sweep the arms up. We're just going to do a little bit of movement through the upper body first, just to loosen up. Exhale, float the arms down. And inhale one more time. Exhale, bring the right arm down and reach through the left fingertips, pressing into the left hip. Inhale back through center, and exhale, float the left arm down, reach through the right fingertips. You can gaze straight ahead or down to the ground, or maybe even up to the sky if that feels okay. Inhale through center, and exhale, find a little twist here. So bring the left hand to the right knee, use the right fingertips behind you to prop yourself up a little bit taller. If you're on a chair, you can hold onto the back of the chair here. And again, maybe gazing over that back shoulder, only if that feels okay on the neck. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And then exhale, coming down, twisting to the other side. So right hand on left knee, reach tall through the crown of the head. So we lengthen on the inhale, and then gently twisting on the exhale. Maybe looking back over the shoulder. And then inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. Exhale, find a cactus position with the arms. Stretch the fingers out wide. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. And then from here, we're just going to round and contract. So we're bringing the forearms towards each other, tucking the chin towards the chest. And then inhale, reversing that. So taking the arms out wide, lifting through the chest. So this is like a seated cat-cow. Exhale, draw the belly button in, tuck the chin. Inhale, expand and open, maybe even gazing up. One more of each. Exhale. And inhale. And then float the hands down. From here, just let your right ear come down towards the right shoulder. Maybe picking up the left arm so that hand just floats above the ground. If the hand is lifted, just let it come back down to the ground. Roll your chin down towards the chest. Just being mindful of the neck here. If there's any issues, please be careful. And then coming back up through center. And then let your left ear come down towards the left shoulder, picking up the right hand. And there's no force in here. Floating that right hand back down, roll the chin towards the chest. Ah, that feels good. Just pause in here. And then lifting the chin, coming back through center. So if you've got a big floppy fringe like me, it's probably a good idea to tuck it out of the way. And we're going to start with some tapping of the face. So make sure your hands are clean. I should have said this at the start of the video. Make sure your hands are clean. And if you do have some kind of face oil, I'll show you mine at the end of the practice. Then it's quite nice to use that here as well, just to let the hands glide a little bit more smoothly on the face. So we're going to start tapping the face. So just making like as if you're playing the piano, tapping across the forehead. Breathing deeply, relaxing all the muscles in the forehead, relaxing through the jaw, coming down the cheeks, tapping across the jaw, and then back background, all the way back to the forehead. And then carrying on, but this time tapping all fingers at the same time. So it's just a little bit more intense. Taking it out from the centre of the forehead to the sides, down the sides of the eyes, down the cheekbones, and across the jaw. Breathing deeply, relaxing here. And then taking your whole hand, we're just going to smooth across the forehead. This is where your oil might feel nice. And then a really nice one to do in the morning. So this whole routine is lovely to do in the mornings, but if you want a quick fix, a face yoga, squeeze in all of the muscles in really, really tight as we exhale, and then extending, spreading the face wide as we inhale. So we're going to do this 5 times. So take a breath in first, and an exhale. One more, inhale. And this time as you exhale, squeeze everything really, really tight. So scrunch up the eyes, scrunch the nose and the lips, and then inhale, spread it all wide, look up to the sky. Exhale, squeeze. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale, relax. Oh, just notice any sensations in the face. Quite hard to talk while you're doing that one. Okay, and then we're just going to puff up our cheek. So imagine you're blowing up your cheek with air, and you're going to tap with your hand. So we'll do the right cheek first, right hand. So blow it up. I'm just going to tap it 10 times, maybe 20. And then change sides. And relax. Now squeeze the cheeks in tight, so like you're sucking your cheeks in, and we're going to hold for 3 seconds. And release. Take a breath. Let's do that again. Big squeeze. And relax and breathe. Last time, squeeze it in. And relax. Hopefully you can feel some tingling in your cheeks, so all the blood rushing to the surface of the skin. And next one we're going to do is a tongue twister. So you're going to take your tongue and press it all the way around the inside of your mouth. And then reverse in the other direction. And one more time each direction. Did I say one more? Let's do one more. And relax. Take a breath. Okay, so our next one is called Smile Grower. So you can do this anywhere. We're going to do a little smile, a medium smile, and then a big smile. All the while keep your forehead relaxed and just focus on the mouth, keeping the lips sealed. So we'll do 3 of these. So small, medium, large, and then reverse, and then do it again. So we'll repeat 3 times. Last one. And to relax all the muscles around the mouth, around the cheeks, we've worked them quite hard, just going to blow some raspberries. So big breath in, And blow it out. 2 more, big breath in like a horse. And again, big breath in. And inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Exhale, bring the hands down to the heart, and we're going to rub the hands together today, so rub them really, really fast. And our affirmation today, I didn't say at the start of our practice, is I radiate happiness. So taking this with you, rub a little faster. I radiate happiness. So all that energy you've created between the hands, we're going to place the hands over the eyes, closing the eyes, feel the heat. And then keeping the hands there, slowly blink the eyes open. And then very gently, slowly start to bring the fingers down, sliding the hands down the face. And bring the hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me for day 3 of our 7 days of happiness, less stress, more yoga challenge. I hope you've enjoyed this little face yoga routine and that you are radiating happiness out into the world. Let me know how this went for you down in the comments on YouTube or over on the Facebook group. And if you aren't in there already, I'll make sure there's a link here somewhere for you to come and join us. I'll see you next time on the mat.